Hi, welcome to the new video of PowerPoint slide design series. In this video, we're going to make this PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. At first, take a rectangle shape. Format the shape. Now, add a parallelogram shape. Adjust it properly. Pressing Ctrl, select both shapes and merge shapes to fragment. Now, delete the unnecessary parts. Again, add a parallelogram shape. Select both shapes and merge shapes to fragment. Delete that part. Pressing Ctrl+C, copy the image and paste it in the slide. Send the image to back. Now, add a rectangle shape. Type numbers in the shape. Format shape and text. Pressing Ctrl+D, make duplicate of it. Make sure to type the numbers in different orders in different shape. Otherwise, it will not properly work in case of applying Morph Transition. Send the shapes to back. Add your desired text. Now, select the slide and press Ctrl+D to make duplicate. Adjust the image and change all the texts. Continue the same process for the rest of the slides. Now, add a rectangle shape and fill it white. Send it to back. Make sure to send the images to back. Do same for other slides. Pressing Ctrl, select all the slides and add Morph Transition. That's it. We're good to go. That's all for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. For any query, you can comment below.